Hi guys, it's Tim from Advanced In-Car Technologies and the Smart 453 forum. And today we're going to show you all about this new dynamic LED indicator that we've had developed for the Smart ForTwo. The 4.4 is coming, but it's going to be a few weeks. And I just wanted to show you how we take off the existing indicator, fit the new one, and put it all back together again. So all you do is you're going to need a trim tool. We probably might, when you buy one of these kits, we have got a discount code that is available, but you need to ask for it. And it's for a limited time only for the pre-orders. So what we might do is also include one of these sort of trim tools as well. So locate the top, there's a little groove. Use your trim tool to get in behind there and pop it out simply. Now on your car, this is the dynamic indicator already installed, so I'm just going to quickly unplug it as if it was the factory. So you'll probably have a clear indicator here, so all you have to do is, you might have seen it when I took it off just a minute ago, is that once it's out, all you do with this bit to get it out, and this is where I struggled to start off with, is just twist it and then it will just pop out like that. Okay, so you disconnect your old one. Haven't got my old one anymore because as soon as I got these I was really excited and threw them away and totally forgot about that I'd need it for this video. So you've got the new dynamic indicator as supplied by us, and you'll see it's got a little clip here, and then you've got the PCB board, and then it all goes in like that. So what you do, hopefully you can see it, is you simply just plug it in. It's literally that simple. And then you grab it, push the wiring into the back, locate the pins, the connectors, and twist and lock it in. And then that's not going anywhere. Now what I would suggest before you fully fit it back is just quickly test it to make sure that the scrolliness or the dynamic indicator is going that way, because that's the way we want it to be looking, because if it's going that way it wouldn't look quite right. So what we'll do is we'll very quickly unlock the vehicle and pop the indicators on. So as you can see, we've now got the LED dynamic, so it's showing it off quite cool. So we've got a nice black smoked indicator housing with a nice LED orange indicator, and all you do is, if you put it in and it's that way round, I don't think it looks that right going that way. So turn it round, make sure it's going this way, and then simply just click it in, and that's it. So as you can see, nice OEM style finish. Got the lovely indicator scroll going along the side there, and it really transforms this side rather than just being the boring orange flasher of the old one. I'm not going to show it to you, the old one, because I haven't got it, but yeah, you get a nice dynamic scrolling indicator. It's available for the ForTwo, hopefully from the middle of February 2019. If you're watching that after this date, they should be readily available. They're still in development for the 4.4, which is a slightly different shape, and it will have that dynamic element to it. So if you want to get hold of this, they're on our website, www.advanced-incar.co.uk. I'll also include a link to the Smart 453 forum, so if you want to find out more tips and tricks and little mods like this, then you can do on there. And thanks very much for watching. I hope you really like it. I'm really impressed with it, and I think it's going to be a great little seller, and it's really going to change the whole look of your vehicle. And thanks for watching.